Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove logo or watermark from VO3 video. So here, what you need to do is just go to your browser and find the watermark remover video. So once you generate videos from AI tools, you can just find this tool watermark remover video and just choose the one that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one, the online video color. You can remove logo and watermark from videos using this. So open the file, find the file on your device, hit on open. So if you see the watermark, it's usually in the bottom or top right corner or left corner of the video. You can just click on this video and you can crop just like this, or you can just select the area that you want to remove. So let's say the logo is in here, you can just choose the area and then you can hit on apply and the logo or watermark will be blurred and you can just export the result. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on that. Bye.